Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's review our portfolio, today's portfolio. So as of today, our portfolio still remains same. It's still 45,280. Compared to yesterday, we lost maybe $100. But today I made some big buys. I bought four brand new stocks. One is O Reality, which is very quite common stock, which is like it's related to real estate stock. So ఎందుకు ఈ స్టాక్ కొన్నానంటే, సో I have some money. I don't want to keep them in a savings account which is giving like 4% return or maybe 2% return. If I have a regular account like Chase Bank or Bank of America, if I have SoFi account, maybe I'll get like 4%, 3.9% return, and I have to maintain some minimum balance. If not, they're going to charge me some money. So I don't like to do that. So instead of that, I love to invest my money so it can generate some income. So all my emergency funds, all money I used to invest. Even if it's loss, if I need some money, I'll sell those stocks and I'll take that loss. That's totally fine with me. I don't keep my emergency funds into savings account, so I can withdraw this money right away with no issues, because Robinhood offers a bank account. They give you a debit card, so even whenever you sell the stock, you have access to your funds right away. You can go to any ATM, you can withdraw your cash. If you want, you can transfer to anybody by using Zelle. So it's not a big deal. So that's why I used to invest my money into stocks or real estate investment stocks, which is like O Reality. So this stock, I bought $2,000 worth of stock. So because why? What is the reason I bought this stock? Is because this stock, which is giving like more than 5 to 6%, 5.62% dividend yield year on year. At the same time, this stock is growing around like 5% on average. So my money will grow 5%. At the same time, I'm gonna get a dividend of 5%, which is like almost 10% return, right? On average, I'm getting 8%, 8 to 9% return, which is beating inflation. So I'm totally fine to keep my money into O Reality. Currently, I own two real estate stocks. One is O Reality, the other one is NLY. So these are the only two stocks I hold. I hold more than $3,000 to $4,000 on these two stocks. Uh, uh, so the reason is, these real estate investment stocks, if federal government is going to, the Fed, the Reserve Bank, which is for United States, they have Federal Reserve. So if Fed is going to reduce the interest rates on money lending, then this stock is going to go up. So as per the market sentiment, the recent news that we are hearing, the Fed is going to reduce the rates. If it's going to happen, then this prices is going to go up, because this company is going to borrow bunch of money and invest that money into real estate. Maybe it could be, housing market, it could be commercial, it could be anything. Right now, this company is diversifying outside the United States too, so I believe this is a very strong company. So the next one is Meta. So I bought Meta worth $2,000 today. So I believe it's currently an undervalued stock, because if you see, the PE ratio is 28.64, which is less than what we are expecting. At the same time, the market cap of the stock is 1.63 trillion. Imagine, this company have 2 trillion people and more than 700 active users on their platforms, and the main revenue source is ad revenue. At the same time, Meta is coming into product base too. They recently added brand new products, the Meta goggles, at the same time Ray-Ban and Oculus goggles, which is going to be beneficiary to this company, to the revenue. At the same time, they are investing huge money into AI, so this will give some boost to the revenue. So maybe not today, maybe next year or maybe upcoming year, but I want to get in as soon as possible. I want to buy as much as I can. So I want to keep my Meta holdings more than 14 to 20%. So I'm happy to hold Meta for next 2 to 5 years. So I'm hoping this stock, I'm not hoping, I'm believe this stock will go easily to $1,000 by within 2 years. $1,000 for sure. So that means it's going to increase 40 to 50% revenue. 40 to 50% hike. So which is good for me. The third stock I bought is MicroStrategy. So The reason why I bought this MicroStrategy stock today is because this company bought a lot of bitcoins, and they have a lot of holdings into bitcoins. Right now the bitcoin is going down, so if bitcoin is going down, MicroStrategy will always go down. So if bitcoin is going up, MicroStrategy is always going to go up. So that is the reason. So I believe there is a uptrend for the bitcoin in the market for now. So if you can see, so it's picked up. It was last week, it was trading around somewhere 87,000. It was trading around 86,000. The least it went to 84, and it got picked up this week. It took a while on November 30 to December 2nd. So it took 2 days to pick up. So it's going to go uptrend. So let's see the average price for this whole 1 year period. So the whole 1 year period average price, we can consider this line, so which is somewhere 97,000. So, and if you see the chart, it's going up right now. So but bitcoin is huge volatility, so you can expect. So let's get back to our fourth stock. The fourth stock I bought is Uber. So why I bought Uber? Because Uber is literally undervalued right now. The PE ratio is 18.68, so which is good, which is very attractive for me. So, and I believe they had a partnership with a new company, and they're gonna add their robo taxis to the platforms. And Uber is also investing with Nvidia to bring some robo taxis. So I'm hoping some good news for Uber for upcoming months. And the next stock I bought is Kava. I bought Kava today worth of $800, I believe. $500 to $800 I bought. Today I almost spent 4,000 to 5,000 buying all these five stocks: ODLT, Meta, MicroStrategy, Uber, and Kava. So I already spoke about Kava yesterday. So Kava is literally in downtrend for almost in 6 months. So it lost 50% of its value. It should be $12 billion company, but currently trading at $6 billion company. So you can see the market cap here. So I'm hoping this will easily go up to 60 to 70 bucks by end of January or maybe February. So that's why I bought. These are the I bought $346 worth of Uber today. You can see the date today. And the next one I bought MicroStrategy. I bought $365 worth. And this one I bought O Reality, which is $2,000 worth. You can see the date today. So I'll get the stocks by tomorrow, but I bought it today. You can see the date here. So I bought the Kava today, which is $470 worth. And again I bought Meta, $2,000 worth. So yeah, these are the stocks I bought today, guys. And one more thing I want to discuss with you is, um, you know, stock market will always go up and down. So if you're a long-term investor, you should not worry about the price. You should not worry about the whether the market is going down or not up. Because why? Stock market will always go up, but there will be a cycles. So the cycle could be stay for 3 months, the cycle could stay for like 6 months, the cycle can stay for 1 year, but not more than that, maybe 2 years max or 3 years max, but it will always go up. So if you see my portfolio, it took me on February 2023 to till September 2024. So for 1 year, I haven't received any returns. It took me only 1 to 2%, but I was so much patience. I was waiting for a very long time. Then it gave me like 7%, which is beating market. I thought maybe okay. Then I lost literally like 11% of my portfolio, guys. Literally $4,000. Today I bought $5,000 worth of stocks, and I lost $4,000 in between this time period. From February, it started going down, and it recovered at May, February, March, April, May. It took 3 months time to pick up. Here it was 36,900, let's say 37,000. Here it was same 37,000. It took 3 months. In these 3 months, if I sold my stocks, I could have lost $4,000. But instead of that, I kept buying. I kept buying and buying and buying. Now when stock market got picked up, you see the highest I got 40% return. How much time it took? May to October. In 6 months, I got 40% return. Even if you minus the 6%, I got 36% return within 6 months. So that's what you just have to keep buying it. You just have to believe the stocks which you are buying right now. So right now it went down. So from 40% return to I got 23. It went down to 23% return. How much I lost? From 13,000 $14,000 profit to I came 8,000. So literally I lost like $7,000 profit. I just literally lost $7,000. But still, I believe in my portfolio. I'm gonna keep this portfolio for next 5 years. There are some stocks I'm gonna sell for a short term period. I'm holding for short term period. Some stocks I'm holding for long term period. So this one, if you see, then it got picked up. It went to again 30%. So but it still need to recover 10 more percent. So maybe it'll take a month or 2 months or 3 months. I don't know. But I'm gonna keep buying the stock, guys. I'm gonna keep buying the stocks for a very long term period. So if you these are the my current holdings, and yeah, if you are holding any stock which is currently I'm holding, please feel free to ping in comment so we can chat about more about the stocks. And let's see our Indian portfolio how it performed today. So the Indian portfolio for today I lost 0.31% as you can see. So this is not giving much returns, guys. So I'm bullish on Indian market, but right now I was holding my horses not to invest in Indian market at the moment because I was expecting 3 to 4 more months to recover. Once I see this portfolio to $6,000, then I am going to buy I'm going to invest in Indian market. Until now I'm not going to invest because if you see today's dollar to rupee USD to INR, it was like literally 90 rupees, man. 90 rupees, $1 equal to 90 rupees. That means if I put my money into Indian market, even if I want to get back my money from Indian market to US market, I'm going to lose a lot of money. My stock, if I want to invest my money into Indian markets, I need to get at least 12 to 15% returns. If not, I'm going to lose a lot of money. So that is the reason I'm not investing my money in Indian market, but I will do invest. I'm really very bullish on Indian market, but it takes some time. That's the reason I'm a small investor. I'm not like a big investor, so that I can take some losses. But at the moment, I couldn't able to afford any losses, so that is the reason I'm waiting to Indian market to pick up. So once it got picked up, I'll buy. If I buy, I'll let you know, guys. I'm gonna review my portfolio every day with you for next 364 days. So this is how it's happening, guys. So yeah. So today I bought more than $5,000 worth of stocks. So if you see my Fidelity IRA, so currently these are the returns we are getting on there. I bought the stocks in this Fidelity account instead of the private account because I want to write off some taxes because I want to invest into my Roth IRA. So that is the reason I added my money to Roth IRA and I bought the stocks through Roth IRA. So you can see today returns. These are the returns today we got. Yeah, and the total gains we got almost positive. Two stocks are negative, Fubo and MicroStrategy. Fubo will go up, but it's having some hard time right now. But I didn't invest much of money into Fubo. It's only $100, so I don't worry about this stock anymore. But I'm gonna keep buying it. If this stock is going to lose another 5 to 10 more percent, then I'm gonna invest $300 to $500 more on this stock. I am very bullish on Fubo because Fubo had a deal with Disney. Because Fubo is like they have a lot of games. They in India, if you want to see cricket, Disney is the one who got the bid, right? So if you want to watch cricket, you have to use Hotstar to watch the cricket matches. But in here, if you want to watch any badminton or any soccer games, you just have to go to Fubo and find the games. So I believe Fubo will be a good player in the market for a very long time. And since they are working with Disney, and Disney was investing with Fubo, So I believe they have a good long run. So I'm gonna wait for a couple of months and see how the stock is going to perform. If not, I'm gonna sell the stock. In this portfolio I only bought for $100, but in my public portfolio I invest more than $1,000 into Fubo. You see, I invested more than 1,500, so total I had like 16% of my portfolio into Fubo. So I lost 11%. On the other one I lost 5%, so which is like if I lost 5 more percent, then I'm gonna buy the stock more. So total gain to just for today I lost 11%. So let's see the total loss I lost on the stock, which is like 11%. Yeah. So if you see all my stocks, I have visited 123 returns, 123% returns in SoFi. I got 16% in Uber, 21% in Space. This company doesn't even make any money. Still, I got 21% return, guys. You don't even know this stock was existed. I believe so. If you know, that means you know about market. And this stock I lost 87% because this is a bet for me. So I just added like $300. I invested like $300 of my money into this stock, not more than that. Yeah, this is a bet for me. And honesty is also a bet for me because I didn't add in much more money. I only added $100. So that's all I have for today, guys. If you have anything, feel free to ask. Thank you.